Hello and welcome back to Vale Toyota. Today I'm going to show you the advanced park system in the Toyota Corolla Cross Atmos. First, we find a car space, then put your indicator on. Then press this little button down here. Once this comes up on the screen, then just press start. Release your foot off the brake, then the car will start moving forward. Now the steering wheel will do its own thing. It is a little bit unsettling the first time you use it, but after you use it a few times you get used to it. Then, once the car comes to a stop, press the brake pedal. Change the shift position to R, then release the brake to move. Then the car will start moving back again. Oh, we're getting close. We're getting close. We're getting very close. But don't stress. I trust this system. Then the car will straighten itself back up and continue to reverse back into the bay. Once the vehicle is finished backing up, change the shift position to P. Then it will show you both the panoramic view, the left-hand side, the rear, and also the right-hand side of the Corolla Cross. Perfect park every time. Oh, what a feeling. Toyota.